Hello everyone, welcome back to our podcast, Mon at Night, the Man Show. Today I am with my old friend Aditya who has experienced something like literally dark. Basically, he has a technical explanation for that. Basically, guys, maybe you all know about sleeping paralysis and maybe some of you experienced it sometimes, but it can be really scary on that time. So that's how he explained me that what happened to him. It's really dark. So let's go to him.
Hello, Suman.
Hello, bro.
Thank you for inviting me on your show. So the first time I had sleeping paralysis was very dark and it was very frightening feeling for me. It was my first time,
Can be, yes.
and I don't know what is happening, but yeah, damn man, I was really scared. I was just sleeping. I was just having this dream of me chased by something, chased by a dark spirit, or you can call it shadow. I cannot see
So
it clearly.
you were having a dream and then suddenly you go to that state that where you
Actually, the dream was random. Actually, dreams are so random.
yes, definitely.
So the dream was not horror at all. सब कुछ ठीक ही चल रहा था, मतलब नॉर्मल सा, जैसे कॉमन से जो भी होती है ड्रीम्स में, वही सब हो रहा था. Then suddenly I realized that I'm in a very dark place and something is chasing me. Like it's really dark and it's really big. It's just chasing me. It has these eyes, but I cannot see it. I only felt it. But yeah, I can feel that he's seeing me, and I have to run.
It's just behind you and you are running.
I have to run.
You are running from it.
Yes, I have to run. I'm
You
not
have to
running
run.
right.
Okay, you have to run.
I have just understood this thing that
Someone is watching you.
It's behind me and I have to run. Then when I started running, the very common thing, we cannot run in the sleep. So I feel stuck, and then what happened, I don't know. I just waked up. I just woke up and I cannot move.
Yes,
And that
yes.
shadow I was talking about, it was right on that wall.
In just front of you.
Yes, I was sleeping. I cannot move. I cannot speak, scream. I have tried every
Every
body
single
part,
fucking
every
thing,
single
like,
every
yes.
single cell of my body, but I cannot do anything. So I just tried, but then what can I do? I cannot move. I cannot speak. I just tried. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब जान लगा दी कि मैं बोलूँ कुछ हो, and then it attacked me, and then I just woke up, and I realized that I was sleeping. But I was scared.
Scared as hell, bro. You were scared as hell.
Most of that scared part of me was because I didn't know about this thing. मतलब मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता था कि ये होता क्या है.
Exactly, bro. अगर
ये
आपको
हुआ क्यों
स्लीपिंग
मेरे
पैलेस
साथ?
के बारे में पता होता है, देन आप उसको फेस करने लग जाते हो तो इट्स कोई इशू नहीं है. बट अगर आपके साथ फर्स्ट टाइम हो रहा है तो इट कैन बी रियली स्कैरी, ब्रो. रियली, जैसे कि तुम्हें बताया, जस्ट सामने मतलब ऐसा कि
हाँ,
बॉडी अपनी
एकदम
लॉक हो गई है एंड
lock.
सामने शैडो दिख रहा है. मे बी वो समाव ऐसा हो सकता है कि अपन स्लीप से अचानक जगते हैं तो हमें अपने इमेजिनेशन की वजह से अपने को दिखता है शैडोज, ये ऐसा पॉसिबल है. बट ऑन दैट टाइम
It was fucking scary. It was frightening. I was chilled.
so then you researched
was
about like sleep paralysis and what is exactly
No,
sleeping paralysis.
first. Actually, I was scared. My phone was there on the table, and मैं वहाँ चल के उसको उठाने नहीं जाने वाला था. वो सिर्फ लेटा हुआ था. मैं सोने से डर रहा था क्योंकि मुझे तो लग रहा था कि यहाँ आसपास कुछ है. तो मैं वो सब सोच रहा था जो हॉरर मूवीज जो मैंने देखी हुई है कि आप उनमें शैडोज कुछ होते हैं वगैरह वगैरह. But then I fall asleep, and when after that जब मैं उठा तो मैंने डिस्कस किया अपने फ्रेंड से कि ऐसे ऐसे हुआ. तो उन्होंने बताया कि ये इसको किसी ने उनकी लोकल लैंग्वेज में बताया कि इसको दबना कहते हैं, और ऐसे मुझे पता चला कि स्लीपिंग पैरालिसिस होता है. और फर्स्ट टाइम जब मुझे पता चला कि यार ये तो ईजी है, मैं सिर्फ 1-2 मिनट. इट्स बेसिकली sleeping paralysis is a condition where you are unable to speak or move while you are falling asleep or upon waking up. बस यही इसका एक explanation है. तो मुझे लगा ये तो pretty simple. I can manage this. Next time I'll enjoy this.
Okay.
But after that it hit me back, और मैं फिर से इतना ही डर गया. फिर उसके बाद में बहुत टाइम तक नहीं हुआ.
Now you told me that you have sleep paralysis like frequently, like
Yes. One thing, I don't know it's coincidence or what, but after I started the use of marijuana, I started smoking weed. Then I am experiencing sleep paralysis since the first hit of my marijuana. लाइक उस दिन से लेके अभी तक हार्डली 2 से 3 हफ्तों का गैप हुआ होगा, वरना एक हफ्ते में एक बार स्लीप पैरालिसिस होता है। और मैंने बीच में क्विट भी करके दिखा मेरे को, हालांकि बीच में मैं 2-3 महीने के अराउंड कमिटमेंट लेके मैंने क्विट किया था, बट इट डिडंट स्टॉप दैट।
You're still having sleep paralysis and all.
Yes,
So
but-
your dream is it's all time same, like a shadow is chasing you, or it's sometimes different, it changes.
No, it comes in very different ways. Mind is very creative.
Yes, definitely, bro.
Sometimes it can be animal.
Yeah, like, you just stole my word, bro. I was just like it's the animal. Sometimes it can be like animal. Sometimes anything. It can be anything.
It can be anything really. So it can be
Whatever
snake.
scares you, whatever your fear, you can say it.
No, but during the time when I get sleep paralysis from these kind of dreams, like animals or something else, not kind of scary thing, I do not get scared. I understand immediately that I am in a state of sleep paralysis. I have to manage for 1 to 2 minutes. But yeah, I have to try really hard at that time also.
So, when you last time had this?
Yesterday night, I think.
Oh fuck, very true. Yesterday night.
It was very common. It was classic type of sleep paralysis. I felt somebody is around. Then I opened my eyes and saw a kid running from this side to this side of the bed.
Fuck, bro. Fuck.
I was scared, but I knew like it's if something is happening to you every week, you become
Used to it. Definitely used to it. Yes.
We can adopt it. Humans are very adaptable in nature. So
Now you try to enjoy it.
yes, sometimes I try to enjoy it, but sometimes even this time also I get scared. I'm so used to it, but also I get scared
On the same time.
on the same time.
Well, I never experienced it, but yes, some of my friends told me that they have it or they experienced it. But for the first time when they had it, it was like very scary. One of my friend, just skip his or her name. I'm just telling you the story. We can assume him or her as an ex. Okay, so ex is sleeping, and then the ex is feeling like suddenly there is like changes in like environment, like it's getting cold. Suddenly it's getting cold, and there is like like ठंडी हवाएं, bro.
Okay.
Okay. You're getting
Cold
it?
spot.
Yes.
Ghost is creating cold spot.
Yes.
Cold spot.
And then suddenly, X's windows are open, and X open his eyes or her eyes, and there was nothing, but he was unable to move his body. He was just experiences it's getting cold or something. It's like something is there, something is coming, but he was unable to see anything. He was unable to feel, like he wasn't able to do anything. He just stuck there, and just he told me that he again like close his eyes and tries to sleep, and then he again go to sleep. And next day he came to me definitely was my classmate, so he came to me and told me about this, that he experienced something dark or something like that. Then I told him that it's maybe it can be happen or something like that. Then again he told me that next day that it was sleep paralysis. Okay,